This is NOAA Weather Radio, station KEC 94, serving Phoenix, Arizona and all surrounding areas, operating on a frequency on 162.550 MHz. This station is operated by the National Weather Service, Forecast Office in Phoenix, Arizona. The current time is 8:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on March 13, 2027.
Here is the nightly forecast for the Phoenix metro area. The current temperature is 73 degrees. Throughout the night, expect temperatures from 70 to 79 degrees. 9 p.m., 72 degrees. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office, the Pinal County Sheriff's Office, and several local police departments. As of 8:28 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, locals have reported several lighting spots organized in a V-shape appearing 20 miles southwest of Chandler, near the town of Maricopa in Pinal County. This object is assumed to be moving to the north toward South Mountain near the Phoenix metropolitan area. If you spot a group of lights that are organized in a V-shape, please let your local police department know about the sighting. Police officials will begin to investigate the object soon. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your local news station for further updates. (10 p.m., 70 degrees. Winds around 2 to 3 miles per hour.
Finally, we made it up.
Yeah. It took a while to get up here.
For real. I was starting to get tired back. What is that?
I think it's that V-shaped object the cops mentioned.
Should we be concerned and leave? We don't know if it's helicopters or aliens, even after it was here in 1997.
I feel like we should, but we just got here. It would take us a long time to get back down.
Hey, the radio. There's something going on.
Well, let's listen.
Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning in effect for Gila AZ, Maricopa AZ, and Pinal AZ, effective until 9:58 p.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arizona State Police and the Arizona Department of Emergency and Military Affairs, in coordination with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA). A civil threat is present in the counties of Gila, Maricopa, and Pinal in Arizona. During a police investigation conducted by the Arizona State Police in coordination with NASA, the V-shaped aircraft shone its bright lights in a blinking red color and has caused an explosion near State Route 238 and State Route 347 in Maricopa, Arizona. No known casualties have been reported, but the Arizona State Police and NASA suspect that the V-shaped aircraft may have hostile intentions. Due to the aircraft's intention to fly over the Phoenix area, all residents of the Phoenix metropolitan area are to shelter in place immediately.
Don't listen to what they tell you. Stay outside and look at me. To me is a sign to die. Succumb to decimatum, succumb to decimatum, succumb to decimatum. Embrace the explosions. Do not fear. We rule the universe. All that's left is you.
following message is transmitted at the request of the Arizona Department of Emergency and Military Affairs, the Governor of the State of Arizona, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. It is confirmed through a recent hijacking of a civil danger warning transmitted over the air at 8:58 p.m. that the aircraft is of extraterrestrial origin, and its intentions are hostile towards the human race. As the aircraft approaches over South Mountain near Phoenix, it is determined that normal activities cannot resume at this time. The Governor of Arizona has implemented a voluntary evacuation order of the Phoenix metropolitan area and possibly all of Arizona. All residents of the state of Arizona are to either find an underground blast shelter or evacuate the metro area or the state entirely. Take all essentials with you as you find a shelter or evacuate. While the aircraft does not show intentions of bringing its hostility to adjacent states, it is possible that the intention could change. As of now, the aircraft is 2 miles before approaching the observation point of South Mountain, which means areas of Phoenix and Chandler are already being decimated as the transmission continues. The United States Armed Forces, along with NASA and the Department of Defense, are being transported to the Arizona state borders in areas where these aircrafts are seen in order to take the aircraft down. Do not attempt to make contact with the aircraft, as you will pose yourself and others at risk of attack. Stay tuned for further updates on this extremely dangerous situation.
This is KFBP News Radio 93.1 FM here in Sacramento, and we have news that have spread across the world last night, coming from the state of Arizona. We have reports that a large extraterrestrial aircraft has brought hostility of an astronomical level to southern Arizona after its first spotting at 8:30 Mountain Standard Time last night. This aircraft has an appearance similar to the Phoenix Lights phenomenon that first occurred 30 years ago. Although the second and third alleged sightings of the phenomenon in 2007 and 2008 were declassified as not extraterrestrial, the fourth sighting, last night, is in the process of decimating Arizona, with plans to control the entire state, as we'd heard from NASA earlier today from this statement.
We have heard a lot about the reoccurrence of that Phoenix Lights alleged UFO sighting since the start last night, and being the rising stage of confirmed extraterrestrial life here on the planet. From what we've seen in Phoenix at Luke Air Force Base, people have been attacked by laser flares and ballistic missiles as the V-shaped aircraft is hovering over downtown Phoenix at this time. And our radar also shows that new aircraft are appearing across Arizona, including Tucson, Flagstaff, Sedona, Holbrook, and Payson, so we can assume that these aliens want to control the state. We've seen no harm to the state borders, but that could change in the coming months.
The aircrafts, now dubbed VET-97 by NASA, are currently setting base across areas in Arizona, and the government has set up a militarized zone around Arizona's borders, along with Mexico setting up a militarized zone with Arizona's southern border, in order to protect civilians from border-front attacks by extraterrestrials. The U.S. government has determined the collapse of Arizona's jurisdiction in the United States is imminent due to the capture of Phoenix, the home of Arizona's state government, meaning Arizona could be the first U.S. state to collapse and become detached from the Union. People all around America would expect this from Area 51 in Nevada, but it happened in Arizona, and has the potential for societal collapse in the captured state. This is KFBP News Radio 93.1 FM Sacramento, California, and we will be right back.
fries, are they a real ingredient of the Quarter Pounder? Well, that depends on who you ask. The hottest, juiciest Quarter Pounder yet, made with 100% fresh beef. It's perfect. Made perfecter. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Get to Kohl's and take an extra 20 or 15% off. It's our biggest jean sale. Save on denim for the whole family. Plus, all Levi's are on sale. 40% off men's and women's and 50% off kids. And Kohl's takes your Amazon returns too.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government.
Arizona is ours now. There's nothing you can do to stop us. Once again, we rule the universe, and you foolish humans are the ones left for us to conquer. We are not done yet. You will meet the same fate. Societal collapse is the inevitable. Goodbye, for now. May we meet again at your demise.